Done.
Done. Okay. Okay. Do question number 24.
Okay. What is V2O5?
Vanadium oxide.
Sorry?
Vanadium. Vandium.
Oh.
Okay, thank you.
And the B1 magnesium plus oxygen is magnesium oxide. What is getting reduced there?
You see that magnesium has zero oxidation state in normal. It is in pure state. And in magnesium MgO, it will be going to have Mg 2 positive in magnesium oxide. Okay. Getting this one?
Oh, yeah, yes.
The substance that is oxidized is considered to be as reducing agent. Okay.
Okay, got it. Done.
Tell me that what is the oxidation state of O2? O2.
So,
What is the oxidation
what?
state of O2? O2. Oxidation state of O2. It will be 0.
Yes,
Why?
because
Because like Mg, if it is written alone, like O2, Cl2, Br2, I2, okay, like Na, Mg, Cu, like this way, okay?
Okay.
So if this type, so if this type of oxidation state is being written there, then what you need to check it that 0 is the oxidation state for oxygen, O2. But in magnesium, it will be going to have magnesium oxide, it will be going to have -2. You know that the charge of oxygen is -2. in compounds. You understood? So when substance is going from 0 to -2, what does it mean? It is getting reduced.
Yeah.
And the substance that is getting reduced is considered to be as an oxidizing agent. Okay. And oxygen is itself known as oxidizing agent because it is oxidizing, right? It is being added to someone. So it is acting. Okay. So oxygen is an oxidizing agent when it is combined. Got it?
Yes.
So let's do the next question, then we'll check it on. Do question number 36.
Okay.
You are having relatives in your home or a guest or right now? Where
No
are you right
sibling.
now?
Young
Siblings.
brother.
So did they let you study properly? Or they are just over your head every time?
Uh, Over my head, obviously.
Okay. Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Now check your answers. Okay.
Okay.
Have you noted the question numbers?
Yes. When they say when dissolved in water, it means plus water, right? H2O, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm.
So which questions we were having? Tell me the number of the question.
21, 24, and 36.
21. Check it.
24.
Check 21.
Yeah.
Done?
Yes.
Then 24.
Yeah.
Do it. Check it 24.
Yeah, done.
Done.
Yes.
Then 24 after 26.
36.
36 or 26? 26, huh?
No, no, 36. A magnesium ribbon question. Yeah.
Done?
Mg3N2, what is it called? Magnesium nitrate?
No, it is magnesium nitride.
Nitride.
IDE, nitride.
Oh,
Because nitride has 3 valency, na?
okay. Mm,
Next.
okay. Yeah.
Done.
Could you show me the 21st question? I just want to,
21st.
yeah, the question. I
Check
know
it.
the answer to the question.
No, the questions. Okay. Check it. Hello, Adil. How are you? I'm audible.
I'm
Adil.
audible.
Okay. So just going to start class in 2 minutes. Okay.
Can you tell me
Okay, sir.
how calcium, no, potassium nitrate is a aqueous solution? I thought it was, uh, and then
Because
zinc.
yeah,
Both.
why calcium nitrate is an aqueous solution? Can you tell? I need to tell you this one, na?
Yes.
Because it is a displacement reaction, and in displacement reaction, at least we need to add AgNO3 in the aqueous, na, so that it will dissolve. The reaction will take place. We'll make the solution of silver nitrate in water, na. Here, this AgNO3
Okay.
should be in aqueous. So when it rated, so now the copper, because you know copper is more reactive than silver, so it will displace it, and now it will become aqueous. Copper nitrate will become aqueous, and silver will be in the solid state. Understood?
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And
Thank
other
you.
one, other one you were talking.
No, I had asked about the zinc sulfate, the same concept there.
Okay, okay. Now, is all the question being done that we were discussing?
Yeah. Yeah.
All the answers. Okay. So that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next class. Thanks for joining. Okay.
Thank you.
So Adil, how are you? Is there any specific topic or doubt in which you are facing problem?
No, sir.
No. Okay, just we are just revising the questions of the first chapter of the chemistry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let's do write the answers in your copy. Okay. And this is the first question. Okay. So please
Okay,
try to solve it. Write the answers only. Means answers means only options. Then I will
okay,
scroll
okay,
down.
sir. Okay, sir.
Hello, dear students. How are you? We are just going to revise the first chapter of chemistry. Okay. So this is must that we need to practice the NCRT MCQs because MCQs are very okay. So please do the question number 1, 2, and then we will discuss how many of them are incorrect of yours. Okay. Just do the question number 1 and 2. Done? When you done, then let me know. Then I will scroll down. Okay. So do 1 and 2. Then we'll practice 18 questions are there. So we'll practice all, and then we'll go to know that how many of yours are incorrect. Okay. Do question number 1, 2, 3.
So can you
Done.
guys?
Done. The first two parts, first two questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do the third and fourth. Do the third and fourth, and write the answers only. Write the answers only. Means options only. A, B, C, D in your copy. Done. Question number 3 and 4. Tell me fast. You're really muting yourself. Why are you not answering that question number 3 and 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do 5 and 6. Do 5 and 6. 5 to 5 first. Do question number 5. Done question number 5. Done everyone? Is there anyone left? I will ask anyone that what's your answer, okay? So you have to do this one, okay? Done? Should I move to question number 6? Do
Yes,
question
sir.
number do question number 6.
Done, sir.
Okay, done question number 6. Question number 7. Do question number 7 and 8. Do question number 7 and 8. Done? Question number 7 and 8. Tell me fast, we don't have all day. You, Jobita, done?
Yes, sir.
Charisma? Jaslyn?
Yes,
Kiran?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Tejasvi?
Done, sir.
Why are you not answering then? Question number 9 and 9. And do question number 9 and 10. Done? Question number 9 and 10
Yes, sir.
done? Then why are
Done,
you
sir.
keeping yourself silent? 11, 12. and 13. Do question number 11, 12, and 13. Done? 11, 12, 13. Still doing.
Still doing same.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, 13. Do 14 and 15. Done? 14, 15.
Yes, sir.
Do 16, 17. Done? 16, 17.
Done, sir.
Do 18. Do 18, please.
Sir, can you show the 17th one?
Yeah.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. So here, let's now check it. Check, you please check it. That how many of yours are incorrect. Okay. Just double. Check your answer and mark it that which one is of yours is incorrect. Here is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 18. Check it, please. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Checked everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Shweta, tell me that how many of yours are incorrect? Shweta, how many of yours are incorrect?
Sir, 3.
Three are incorrect. Okay. And we will ask it. Okay. Tejasvi, yours?
5, sir.
5. Saima, yours?
2.
And Charisma, yours?
4, sir.
Abdullah, yours?
Sir, 3, sir.
And Adil, your?
Sir, 3.
Adil, your? How many? 7.
Sir, 3, 3.
3. And Jaslyn?
4.
4. Okay. Tejasvi, yours?
5, sir.
5. Okay. So yes, start from Tejasvi. Tejasvi, tell me that which one of yours are incorrect, please.
Sir, first is fourth one.
First is fourth one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is there any other student who is having the common questions? Which is incorrect? Is there any other student who is having the fourth one is incorrect? No. All of them are having fourth one correct.
Sir, I have it incorrect. Sir,
Okay, so then let's speak. No? Only Tejasvi is not here. Okay, which of the following is exothermic? You know that exothermic reactions are those reactions in which heat is liberated out. Okay, so you know that quick lime when react with water, CaO when react with water, it is a preciously known, okay, exothermic reaction. This is an exothermic reaction. Okay, got it. Plus, when it react with, no, it will form nothing, but it will form calcium hydroxide. So there's a large amount of heat is being released. So it is an exothermic reaction. Dilution of acid is also an exothermic reaction. You know, evaporation. You know that evaporation when water is in liquid state, so it get converted into vapor. So it is not an exothermic, it is endothermic because we are applying heat to it. So when heat is applied, it is endothermic. When heat is released, it is exothermic. So it is incorrect. Sublimation of camphor is also means if you are just converting solid. Sublimation is that process in which solids are directly converted into gaseous state without going into the liquid state. Okay, this is called sublimation. So still you have to heat it now. So that's why. So 1 and 2 is correct. So this is A option is correct. Okay, got it. Got
Yes,
it.
sir.
Okay. Yeah, Tejasvi, other questions that you are having incorrect.
10th.
10th one. Is there any other student who is having 10th questions is incorrect? Is there any other students? No. Okay. Beryllium on reacting with ammonium sulfate. Beryllium is Ba. When it react with ammonium sulfate, NH4. NH4 is ammonium, which is having valency 1. And sulfate ion is having valency 2. You cross multiply, you will get ammonium NH4 whole twice SO4. Okay. Ammonium sulfate form barium sulfate. It will form barium sulfate, BeSO4, which will form PPT. Solid plus aqueous, where you will get ammonium and ammonium chloride, but it is barium chloride here, BaCl2. So it is ammonium chloride here. Okay, it is a, you know, that is a displacement reaction because double displacement reaction, and it is also a precipitation reaction. Why precipitation? Because this barium sulfate gets settled down in the bottom. In the bottom, it gets settled down in the bottom. Okay, so this is barium sulfate, BeSO4. Okay, so it is a displacement reaction. No. It is a precipitation reaction. Yes. It is a combination reaction. No. It is a double displacement reaction. Yes. Why you know that? Because there is an exchange of ions taking place. That's BaCl2 when react with ammonium sulfate and SO4. So this ammonium will react with chlorine, so it will form ammonium chloride according to the formula NH4Cl because both are having 1 valency, and BaSO4 will be having this combination. Okay, so that's why it is a double displacement reaction and also a precipitation because barium sulfate forms white PPT. White PPT. So it will be second and fourth. D is the correct option. Yes, Tejasvi, another one.
Sir, actually, I
13th
got
one.
two wrong.
Yeah, 30.
No, 12th one, sir.
12th one. Is there any other student who is having 12th one common?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which of the following is or are endothermic process? Endothermic process is one which is so endothermic is a process in which heat is supplied. Endothermic. Heat is supplied. So dilution of sulfuric acid is an exothermic. Heat is released. Sublimation of ice, same. When you have sublimation of ice, so what does it mean? That you have to ice, if you are converting ice, dry ice, okay, it is carbon dioxide, CO2, it is solid. When it gas, it directly converted into gas, CO2, gas, but it will absorb the heat from the moisture. Okay, so this is an endothermic process. Condensation of water vapor. Condensation means when water vapor is there, na, vapor. So vapor actually when condensed to liquid state, it is having some more heat. So it will release its heat. So vapor when converted into liquid, it will release the heat because it has latent heat of vaporization, we can say. So vapor when converted into liquid, it will release its heats. And when it get converted into liquid, get converted into vapor, it will absorb it. So vice versa is if a reaction A to B is endothermic, then B to A will be exothermic. Okay, if it is endo, then B to A to B, then B to A will be exothermic. So if liquid when changes into vapor, it absorbs heat. So when vapor changes into liquid, it will release heat. So release of heat is exothermic. So it is exothermic. Condensation of water vapor. Evaporation of water vapor means it is an endothermic. Why? Because water is liquid state. So when it will get converted into vapor, so it will absorb heat. So 1 and 4, sorry, second and fourth is the correct option. Second and fourth. So D is the correct option. Okay. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Another one, Tejasvi.
Sir, 13th one.
13th one. In the double displacement reaction, both uh, aqueous potassium iodide. We have potassium iodide Ki. Okay. In aqueous, and when you aqueous potassium iodide and lead nitrate PbNO3. This is very famous reaction. Then it will react PbI2. It will form PbI2, which is yellow PPT. Yellow PPT. Okay, and here we will have potassium nitrate Ki, KNO3. Okay, lead nitrate. So while
Yes,
performing
sir.
the activity, it is saying that okay. While performing the activity, if lead nitrate is not available, if lead nitrate, any PbNO3 is not available, then what will you use? Okay. So you will use a substance that will form, if you use lead sulfate, okay, potassium nitrate, instead of this you use, so this is also insoluble, so it will not react. Now we need both the aqueous thing. Okay. So both should be aqueous. Got it? Got it? So lead
Yes, sir.
sulfate will not use. Ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate is also aqueous. We know that. But ammonium iodide is forming a PPT. So ammonium
Correct, sir.
iodide. No, ammonium ion is generally or ammonium nitrate. And we have potassium sulfate,
Yes,
KSO4.
sir. Correct.
Okay. So lead sulfate, PbSO4 is actually generally it dissolve in it will have some color. Okay. So we can use potassium sulfate here. Okay. No, potassium is already there. Na? The same ion is there. Na? Potassium, no, lead is not lead sulfate. I'm just thinking that is lead sulfate. So instead of lead nitrate, you can use ammonium nitrate and lead acetate. Lead acetate. Acetate ions are also considered, but it will form potassium acetate. Like we have potassium iodide react with Pb 2 and CH3COO minus. Okay. So this is lead acetate. Lead acetate. This is lead acetate ion. So if you use this ions, okay, this ions, so it will form potassium, yes, CH3COOK, and you know that it is also water soluble. This is sodium salt of potassium salt of carboxylic acid, and you know this soaps are the sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid. So you know that it is soluble in water, so it is not forming the precipitate. So we cannot use this one because it is insoluble. We cannot use lead acetate also. So it is the only option that we cannot use potassium sulfate because potassium is the common ion. So how can we use potassium? So only C will use ammonium nitrate. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
C is the
Yes, sir.
correct answer. Next one,
17th one, sir.
17th one. 17th one. 17. Where is the 17th? Which of the following is or are the combination reactions? So you know combination, the substance. So this is a decomposition. It will not be. It is a combination. Yes, it is a single product is formed. It is also a combination reaction. But you are asking 17, na? Sorry. Which of the following is a chemical
Yes.
reaction? Uh, Abbreviations is correct. So you know that hydrogen is not a liquid state. It is always found in the gas. It is gas. It is not in the liquid state. So that's why it is incorrect. So it is gas. It is gas, but it is liquid. Yes, this is correct. C is the correct option. Product is found in the liquid
Okay,
state, na?
sir.
Water. Don't think it will be obtained in the gaseous state because of the heat. Because water, we will write only the state which is at the room. You can convert the hydrogen gas into the liquid state. Oxygen can be converted into liquid state. Okay, you can burn the oxygen,
Okay, sir.
but we are just writing it at room temperature. What is the state at room temperature? Okay,
Yes, sir.
got it. So that's why it will not be considered. It will be considered. C is the correct option. Now, another students. How many of yours? Yes, Simon. How many of
Yeah.
yours are?
2.
Which one?
Here, the 5th one and the 6th one.
Which one?
The 5th one and the 6th one.
The 5th one and the 6th one. Oxidizing agents. Okay. Let's took the fifth one and the 6th one. You know that the two beakers A, B, and C each are containing 25 ml of water taken. A is a small amount of NaOH in anhydrous copper sulfate, CuSO4, and three beakers labeled as ABC. And each of them are having, one is A is having NaOH, another is having copper sulfate, and this is B. NaOH is A, this is B, and we will having the C is NaCl. NaCl, okay. So in case of temperature, you see that when water is acid, when increase in temperature means when they are diluted, taken in water. Okay, so you'll see that A and B in temperature is rises, and in case of C, the temperature falls. Okay, so temperature rise means exothermic. So A in case of A and B, the exothermic reaction occurs. Yes. So if it is exactly opposite to this one, so this option will be incorrect. C is exothermic. No, it is endothermic. So 1 and 4 is correct. You understood? Understood,
Yes,
Simon?
yes.
Question number 6. A dilute ferrous sulfate solution. Okay, just a minute. I'm coming back. Yeah, in question number 6, if I talk about, so a dilute ferrous sulfate solution was gradually added to beaker. Means you are having ferrous sulfate, FeSO4, and you are adding it to a beaker which is having acidified potassium permanganate. Okay, alkaline KMNO4. So KMNO4. The light purple color, you know that KMNO4 has purple color. This is also used in the oxidation of alcohol to form the carboxylic acid. So this will disappear. Disappear indicate in the formation of carboxylic acid when ethanol is added. C2H5OH in the carbons compound chapter. Its purple color disappear, indicating that it is a strong oxidizing agent because it is being used. Okay. So it is saying that the light purple color disappear and fade finally disappears. So which is the correct explanation? KMNO4 is a strong oxidizing agent. Yes, it is a strong oxidizing agent. Okay. The first option is correct. The second, why the others are incorrect? Let me tell you that FeSO4 act as an oxidizing agent. No. FeSO4 act as an oxidizing agent. No. And KMnO4 act as an oxidizing agent. It will act, then it is getting oxidized, so it will be act as a reducing agent. The color disappear due to dilution. No, dilution disappear due to it is no reaction is involved. Reaction is involved. That's why it is the color disappear. KMnO4 is unstable compound and decompose in the presence of SO4 and colorless compound. No. So A is the correct option. Okay. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But in the option, it is also 6A portion is given na in the question. Did you check the options? Is it A there?
Yes.
6A. Yeah, it is A. Let's check. Let's go to the next question. So now, yeah, Saima, your two were incorrect. So this two were there na?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Abir, you joined late.
Yes, sir.
Where were you?
Sir, I was praying, so it took me a bit of time to join.
Okay. Yes, Shweta, Saima, and Saima, we have Shweta. Shweta, we have Shweta. Do we have considered your questions? No. Shweta,
Yes, sir.
how many questions of yours are incorrect?
3, sir.
And do we have discussed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Samar, how many of yours are incorrect?
Sir, I joined late.
You joined late. Okay. Charisma, how many of yours are incorrect?
Sir, 4.
4. And how many do we have discussed from the out of that 4?
Sir, 3.
3 we have discussed. So remaining one, tell me.
Sir, question 3.
Question 3. Okay. Which of the following statement is or are correct? So here it is Fe, and this is reacting with water. It will gives you this one. Okay. So you know that which of the following is getting oxidized. So the substance that is getting oxidized is is acting as a reducing agent, and the substance which is getting reduced is act as an oxidizing agent. It is an opposite. Substance which is getting oxidized act as reducing agent, and the substance that is reduced act as oxidizing agent. So iron, you know that addition of iron oxygen is taking place. So it is oxidized. So it will act as a reducing agent. So it is metal is getting oxidized. Yes, it is true. Second, water is getting reduced. Water is getting reduced. So you know that removal of what oxygen is taking place in water. So it is getting reduced. So water is getting reduced. It is also correct. Water is getting reduced. It is also correct. Now you know that if water is getting reduced, so it will act as an oxidizing agent. So here the water will act as a reducing agent. No, it will act as an oxidizing agent, because water is getting reduced and the substance that are reduced that will act as an oxidizing agent. So water will acting as an oxidizing agent. It is providing its oxygen to this one. Na? Because of water, iron is getting oxygen. Na? It is
Yes,
getting
sir.
oxidized. So water will act as an oxidizing agent. So
Yes, sir.
1, 2, and 3. Sorry, 1, 3, and 4. 1, 3, and 4. C is the correct option. Okay. Yeah. Another
Okay,
student.
sir.
Jaslyn, how many of yours were incorrect?
No, 4.
4. And how many of them we have discussed?
All of them.
What are you saying?
Sir, all of them were discussed.
All of them I have discussed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any students whose questions I have not discussed and want to, should I explain him? Charisma, how many of yours were incorrect?
Sir, we already discussed.
Okay. Means all of the questions has been discussed. Na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is there any other chapter? This is the chapter that's because 20 marks MCQ is very important. Okay. MCQ either gives you the 100 marks, 100% marks, or it will gives you 0% marks. Means full marks or full zero. Means it does not mean that if you write something, you can go at half marks and something. It always give you the full, either it will give you 0. So that's the chances. Most of the time student got incorrected. Okay. So is there any student that who is having any problem in any portion of the whether it is in chemistry, physics, or bio, or any portion in chemistry? Just I teaches you chemistry, it's okay, but you can ask any doubt from any chapters of the chemistry of the science. If you are having any doubt in any topic, I can explain you. No students. All of them are having. Means they are
Sir,
topper, right? Yeah.
in biology, in control and coordination, in the NCRT exemplar, the last question, we have discussed it before. It was about the transfer of impulses being only in one direction, and why it's only one direction, and it cannot be moved uh, from the axonal end to the dendrites in the opposite direction.
Yeah.
But the answer we discussed in tuition is different from the answer which is given in the answer bank.
In the tuitions. Okay. So should I open the NCRT example?
Yes, sir. In the last question.
Okay, just a minute. Control and coordination. In the last question you are talking, na? In MCQ or something like, okay, it's 53 question number, na? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Actually, why the flow of signals in synapse from axonal end to the neuron dendritic end, and then means it is not reverse. Why? Because I have just explained this in previous classes also, and that why it is not reversible. Okay. Actually, you know that when we are just transferring, this is an let's suppose this is cell body. I'm just making this is cell body, not making the neuron, it will take time. Okay, and this portion is axon, and this portion is synaptic terminals. Okay, synaptic or nerve ending, nerve ending. Okay, then what happens here is that when when the signals is being transferred for some time, the impulse get means the neurons or the part where the magnetic impulse or the electrical impulse is being transferred, it becomes inactive. The potential gradients will become zero. It become inactive. So it is just like you have seen that you have to cross this river. Okay, you have to cross this rivers, and there it is some floating substance here. Okay. Okay, so when you jump over it, it will goes down. For example, and then you have to jump over it, over the next one. If you keep on this one, you will sink. So you jump on this one, you jump on this one, then you jump on this one, then you jump on this one. You keep on, you can, okay. If you keep jumping, you will reach from position A to position B. The same thing happens here. But for sometimes, if you reach on this one, it is sinkable. You cannot go back. The same thing happens for this one. That the potential gradients of for some time, it we have written these questions in details that potential gradients for some time it becomes inactive and it becomes zero, and that's why it cannot reverse. Okay, because when the neurons, when the electrical impulse is being transferred inside the neuron, so for sometimes the area through which impulse has been transferred becomes inactive, so it is not possible. Okay, to transfer the impulse. So what's the answer is there is being written. Let me check what's the answer. What are you saying that you, in the tuitions? What are you saying? Something you were saying something, Abhi.
Yes, sir. In the answer, it's certain because only the nerve endings can convert it into chemical energy through neurotransmitters.
Actually,
This is not there.
this question is for the is on the level of uh we can simply say that it is on the level of 11th standard. Okay, so there if you read that one in that case, then you will study this one in more detail. Okay,
Yes,
that
sir.
because of the potential gradient, if you watch it somewhere, you will find the same answer that I'm saying to you. Okay, that because of this potential gradient. So it is saying that here that electrical impulse reaches the axon ends of the nerve, it releases a chemical substance. This chemical substance diffuses towards the dendrite and to the next neuron where it generates an electrical impulse or signals. Hence, the electrical impulse is converted into chemical impulse at the axon end. Okay. And since the chemical reactions are absent, since the chemicals are absent in the dendrites and of the neuron, the electrical impulse cannot be converted into the chemical signal. So you can simply write it that because the electrical impulse are not because the nerves. Okay, actually, it is saying that I just want to say here that why the it is one way from dendroid to the terminals, but not terminals to dendroids. Okay, it is saying because it is only talking about this portion. It is let me tell you that where it is talking about. So if I'm having a neuron here, let it make it like this way. Just a bit. So when you have dendrites like this way, okay, these dendrites actually there is a when they are just connecting each other, we have a chemical impulse, chemical substance here, and that is called neurotransmitter. What we called it? Neurotransmitter. And neurotransmitter is a chemical substance that converts electrical impulse into the chemical impulse. Okay, so at the end here when it is transmitted, let me show you that where what I am talking about. Just a minute. Let me do the control and coordinations. I'm showing the PPT right now. So let me show you there just a minute. So you can check it here. Okay. Just a minute, it is loading here. Okay. So you can check that this portion, when you are having this portion, actually these are the terminals and synaptic. Okay, and this is the portion, and this is the nerve terminal. This is the nerve ending. Okay, nerve ending. So actually here that you will when you will study in details, you'll find that we have something that changes electrical impulse into chemical impulse. Okay, and that is present at the junction between the neuron, between the terminals and the dendroids. There is a junction between terminals, synaptic terminals, and the dendroids. So there it is present. Okay, that's why reverse is not possible. But you can write that one also, that the potential gradient becomes zero when the nerves is traveling. You can write it in a very simple language. It will be also considered as correct. Okay, got it, Abhi? And that you can study in the 12th standard control and coordination chapter. There is also coordination. So that there you can study. You understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So there you can study. Is there any doubt for the student, or should I go for the next part? Abir and other students, what do you mean? Is there Charisma, Samar, Saima, Shweta, Tejasvi? Or you can write the exact answer that is written in the NCERT. That is also example. That is also correct. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because at the 10th standard, we don't study that potential gradients. Something, so you can write that but also. It's your choice. Yeah. Is there anyone who's still having doubt? Oh, all of them are have keeps yourself mute.
Yes, sir.
Tell me how your physics is going on, how your biology is going on.
Good, sir.
Good. Okay, let's do some more questions over just a minute. Electricity. Let's start doing these questions. Okay, let me know that how many of you have done this one. Let's do the MCQs of this one, of the electricity chapter. Okay, do question number one, all of you. Done. Question number one.
Yes, sir.
When you're done, please let me know. Okay, do question number two.
Where can you show question number one?
This is question number 1. This is question number 2. Done?
Yes, sir.
2 also? Everyone done 1 and 2?
Just a minute, sir.
Done? Done 2?
Yes.
Do question number 3.
Done, sir.
2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. Done? 3 and 4. Everyone tell me fast.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do question number 5. 5.
Done, sir.
Do question number 6 and 7. Done? This one, tell me fast.
Done, sir.
Do question number 9 and 10 fast.
Sir, can you show it question?
Done?
Done, sir.
Everyone done? Is there anyone still doing? Should I move to the next part? You can ask me to slide up if you have missed any
You can
questions.
listen question number 10.
Okay, here it is.
Done.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do question number 11 and 12. 13.
Done, sir.
Is there anyone doing? Do question number 14.
Done, sir.
Okay, do 15, 16, 17.
Done, sir.
Okay. 217 and 18.
Done, sir.
Okay, so let I'm showing you the answers. Okay, and let's check how many of them are correct and incorrect. Okay. So please check your answers and then tell me how many of yours are incorrect. Check it, please. Done? Tell me fast.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
tell
sir.
me, everyone. So tell me that how many of yours are incorrect, please.
1, sir.
One. Abir, one. Which one?
Three.
Which one? Tell me first. One. One which is incorrect of yours.
Second one, sir.
Second one. Okay, just second. Second one is incorrect. Second one. It is easy. The heat. Which of the following heat produced in the resistors the combinations is 12-volt battery will be. It is asking for the when they are connected with 12-volt battery and in which of the following case the heat produced in which of the following the heat produced in the resistors or the combination of the resistors with the 12 volt battery? You know that the more the resistors, more will be the heat produced. So here in this case, this will it is going to have 2 ohm resistor total resistance. It is going to have 4 ohm resistance, and it is going to have 1 ohm. Okay, 1 ohm. So you know that same in all cases. Will it be same in all cases? No.
No, sir.
Minimum in one case. Case 1. It should be minimum in case. Which case? Tell me.
Case
Minimum
3.
case 3.
Case 3. It will be minimum in case 3 and maximum in case 4. Okay. So minimum in case 1. No, it is not. Maximum in case 2. Maximum in case 2. Yeah, it is maximum in case 2 and maximum in case 3. No, it will be maximum. C is the correct option, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, C is the correct option. No, D is the correct option, na? D is the correct option. 3. No, sorry, for 2. For 2, which questions you are having right now? This one. This is 2. And 2 has A option. A option is correct. Same in all cases. So this is a mistakenly there. Okay. This is a mistake. They're saying same in all cases. It will be incorrect. Okay. You see here the answers. The answers in the answers. In the 2, A is given to you. So this is mistakenly given. Okay. This is a mistake. Got it? It should be C. You understand?
Yes,
Got it?
sir.
And the other students, Abhi, you has only one. This questions, okay, because this is means all of the yeah, all of yours are correct. Okay, is there anyone? Yeah, Saima, how many of yours were incorrect?
3, sir.
Which one?
3.
Which one? Name.
So the 6th one, 12th one, and 15th one.
6, 1, 12, 1, and 15, 1. 6, 1. 6, 1. Yeah, it will be maximum when just a minute. It is simple question. It will be maximum when you are having, like, you know, the maximum resistance will always be when it is connected in series, na? So like you have 1/5 ohm R resistors, okay, and when they are connected in series, so it will be R each into N. R
Yes,
equivalent in series is equals to R each into N. Okay, when they are same resistor, like 5 ohm, 5 resistors are connected, so 5 into 5 you will get 25 ohm. And R equivalent in parallel, it will be equals to R each divided by N. So you know that the maximum resistance is always possible when they are connected in series. So whatever it is, right? The resistors, all the resistors are 1/5 ohm. And how many resistors are there? 5. So you multiply by, you get it, you will get 1 ohm. Okay. Got it?
okay, sir. Yes, sir.
And then after this one, which one is incorrect?
12th one.
12th one. The 12th one. Okay, 12th one. Here it is saying the cylindrical conductor of length L and uniform cross-section area A and resistance R.
Sir, 12th one.
Another conductor of length 2L and resistance R have the same material. So you know that length is directly proportional. It is having the same cross-section area.
Sir, not this question.
Sorry, you said 12th one, na?
Yes, sir.
12th one. Okay. Yeah. If 100%, you see now that if the current I is through a resistor increased by 100%, it is doubled. Assume that the resistance, the temperature remains same, the increase in the power will be. So you know that if the resistance is same, okay, and current is doubled, so it will become 4 times. The current will be, you know that, here you can check it. P is equals to I square R for the resistance, okay, when resistance is there. So you say resistance, okay, the current is double, but the resistance remains same, okay. So you know that if you double it, it is having I, so it is 2I square into R. So you will get 4I square R. So it is P dash. So power, that is 4I as 4IR square. Now what is the change? Change is, yeah, increase in power is, it will be 3 times now. Because it is 4 times of original P. Okay, got it. So if the current is doubled, the power will increase will become 4 times. So increase will be that it is taking 100 watt here, like this 100 watt. Now you double the power, it start taking 400 watts. 400 watts. Okay. Now the change in power will be 300 watt. It is already consuming 100 watt. Now it is consuming 400 watt. Now how many it is having? It will be having 300 watts increased. So increase is 300 upon original into 100. You cut it will be 300%. Okay. Increased percent it is asking, na? You understood?
Yes, sir.
Another one?
There is a 15th one.
15th one. 15th or 16th?
15.
15th. Okay, let's do the last question. 15th one. Because the time is 15th one.